Hi friends, I'm Tarak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a dollar symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a dollar symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a document here. So I'm just going to increase the cell size and just click here. And if you just go inside the insert symbol option here, you can't find any insert symbol option present here. So you just need to use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard. So double tap on the cell that you just need to insert the dollar symbol. Now you just need to click on this number section. Then you will find the dollar symbol here. You can just insert. And if you need more symbols, you just long press here. It's a hide and trick. You can just insert a different type of symbols, currency symbols. So this is the only way to insert the dollar symbol, or you can use your keyboard. Like this is an Excel keyboard. Here also you can find the dollar symbol. So these are the two ways to insert the dollar symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.